So first we're gonna put the wet ingredients, which are the eggs, the oil, and the vanilla, and we're gonna mix them together. Now we're gonna add the sugar to it. And now we're gonna pour the flour, and on top of it the baking powder. I'm gonna mix first the baking powder with the flour before I'm mixing it with the whole mixture. If the dough comes too loose, you can always add a little bit more flour, or if it's too thick, which you can't work with, you can add a little bit more oil to it. But don't start playing with the other ingredients like the eggs, because that's going to change the whole texture of the dough. First, I'm just making sure, as you can see, that the dough everything is mixed up together, all the ingredients, before I'm gonna shape it into one ball, one dough ball. It's too hard, you can always separate it. Since we mixed first all the ingredients before we shaped it into a bowl, then you can separate it and work with two bowls separated if it's too hard, or you can use a mixer to mix your dough. Okay.